This is a MedAir Elite instructional video. Let's begin. The functions of the mattress pump are as follows. Here is the remote receiver window. Be sure to keep this area uncovered for use with the remote. The normal pressure light will illuminate green when the mattress has reached its preset pressure. The low pressure failure light will illuminate yellow if the mattress pressure is below normal. Please note that the initial inflation of your mattress can take approximately 45 minutes to reach normal pressure levels. In order to properly set pressure for the mattress user, set patient weight using the weight buttons. A higher weight will increase mattress pressure and a lower weight will reduce mattress pressure. Please see user manual for reference pressure settings. Press and hold the panel lock button for 3 seconds to both lock and unlock the control panel. The pump will automatically lock after 2 minutes of no interaction. Press the sitting mode button to suspend the alternating pressure function. Pressure will now be constant and last for 30 minutes. Press again to return to the alternating function. Like the sitting mode button, the maximum firm button can be pressed to suspend the alternating pressure and set a firm, constant pressure for 30 minutes. Press again to return to the alternating function. An alarm sounding from the pump can be suspended by pressing the alarm reset button. If the situation is not resolved within 20 minutes, the alarm will sound again. Press the alternating cycle time button to set the cycle time of alternating pressure. The lights above will indicate your selection. Press the static alternating button to select between the alternating function and static pressure. The pressure will automatically be set to the same as the alternating function.